all about leftovers today.
It is. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make a Christmas pudding trifle out of the leftover Christmas pudding bits of cake.
Yeah, well, you can't have trifle without custard.
No.
That custardy layer. Now, you could just have bought custard, but really, homemade custard is absolutely fantastic. And it gives your Christmas pudding and your cake that little bit of festive reverence that it deserves.
It does. So I'm going to separate some eggs. We're going to whisk the egg yolks with some corn flour and some sugar until light and fluffy, and that's going to form the thickening base for our creamy custard.
Now, the body of the custard, we start by heating up some milk, some cream, and infusing with orange zest. As a cook sometimes, and a greedy person, I enjoy the leftovers more than the main event.
I do.
I certainly enjoy this better than Christmas pudding.
I love Christmas pudding, dude.
Everybody's always got Christmas pudding left over. But tonight, Cinderella, you shall go to the ball. I think the thing is, once you get into the festive spirit, that's it, you're off. You see love and glory everywhere. Talking of which,
What?
we've got Gloria coming in a bit.
I know, I cannot wait.
I know.
Actually, I love Gloria. She's
I love
brilliant.
her, she's brilliant.
Right, listen, what we're going to do, we're going to whisk these together. So there's our egg yolks, and there's our sugar.
That sounded like a sleigh bell then.
And then we've got some corn flour. Whisk until light, fluffy, and aerated.
Yeah.
I went all delia there. Did you see that?
There's nothing wrong with that.
No,
You never get a duff dealia.
You never get a duff dealia.
Never get a duff
We've
dealia.
always said that.
The orange zest has done its work.
Oh, look, yeah, it's actually, it's hewn a colour through the milk, David.
It has, it has. Right-o. Just dribble in, and my friend cannot stop stirring.
Because what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's as smooth as it possibly can be. And then we've got to just gently heat that, stirring continuously until it starts to thicken. Now, stir with a wooden spoon, not the whisk.
Homemade custard is brilliant, isn't it?
It's such a lovely treat and it's a lovely thing to do.
Yeah.
And look, people think it's scary. Look, you've just seen how we do it. It's not that scary.
But the secret is that bit of corn flour. What's your favourite leftover, Kingy?
You know the Yorkshire puddings?
Yes.
A little bit of gravy on the Yorkshire puddings.
Cold.
Yeah, with the devil on horseback in the middle, rolled
Little
up.
sausage in its thingy.
What's yours?
Oh, I look forward to white bread,
Yeah.
quite a bit of butter,
You've always, yes, I know.
turkey breast,
Yeah.
salt and white
White
pepper.
pepper.
I remember when I was a little kid, we always used to say that white pepper was better with chicken breast. I don't know why, but I think it is.
It is. I'm going to give you a top tip about the custard. What will happen is, as you continue to stir, you'll feel the bottom of the pan go really slippy, and that's a good sign that it's just about starting to thicken.
Oh, it is, it's thickening.
It is, there we go. And as soon as that starts, take it off the heat, and there you have beautifully smooth and lovely custard.
Oh, that's brilliant.
There we go.
Now we put cling film onto the top of the custard and that'll stop the skin forming. But you see this bit, I'm not quite sure. Some people, including myself, think that the skin on the custard's the best bit. However, we're not. We're being technically perfect, aren't we?
We are.
We are. There'll be no skin on this custard.
Sadly.
Now, put it in the fridge to cool down. I'll go and get one we've already done. And there we are. Skinless custard. And of course, you need your trifle bowl of choice. Look at that fine object.
Oh, right. I'll crack on with the pineapple chunks.
Right, I'll start the cake. My Christmas pudding and my leftover, slightly stale Madeira cake. What you can do if you're feeling really naughty...
This is bad.
This is bad. It's even bad for us, but it's great. You fry this in butter and sugar, and so you get caramelised toffee Christmas pudding. But that's one step too far, we feel. Now, we put our chunky pudding into the bowl. Actually, even that old pudding's beginning to come to life now. And we just lay the Madeira on top of the pud. And we're building it up with mango and fresh pineapple. But first, it's a Christmas trifle, a Christmas pudding trifle, so we've got green ginger wine. Now you can see that Christmas pudding's going, I shall go to the ball. The slipper will fit me. It's probably going hick, the amount I'm putting in, but never mind. Onto the top, we lay some slices of fresh mango. Pick me nice slices there. So we'll get a strata of orange. Can I take your chunks?
Yeah, you can.
And just scatter your chunks with gay abandon over your mango.
Are you, when you wrap presents, are you glue or sellotape?
Sellotape.
Same. Do you go to the bother of buying the sellotape that you can't see, or is it just a normal sellotape?
Whatever I can find.
Same.
Do you put bows on the top that have a sticky backing?
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes.
I do too.
Unless it's for the one I love, and then I make a bit more of an effort.
Right, time for the custardification. And we can pop this back into the fridge till we need it. I die for Rome.
I'm Spartacus.
No, I'm Spartacus.
No, I'm definitely Spartacus. Now, in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sugar syrup. I want to pair off some lovely zest of orange, and then we're going to julienne it. Put it in our sugar syrup so it goes lovely and crystal.
As my mother used to say, on the top you need to have billowing clouds of cream.
Indeed.
So we'll get on with the billowing clouds of cream. Double cream into a bowl and some icing sugar. I think that's enough because we don't want it too stiff. So we can kind of finish off now, can't we?
We can, mate, yeah.
To the fridge.
How we doing?
Ah, it's an event, this. It's lovely. Put the clouds that will billow of like loosely whipped cream.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you got to have little peaks, haven't you?
Oh, nicely done, Mr. Myers.
The almonds first, and I think we should give pride of place to that lovely crystallised orange. That's beautiful,
Absolutely.
mate.
Absolutely.
And just sprinkle
Provocatively.
exotically in a festive fashion.
Yeah.
Say when?
When?
You didn't look.
I did.
You didn't lay pants on fire. I've got eyes in the back of my head.
You have to know me for 25 years, probably best.
I think I'm there, Kingy.
You're there, dude, you're there,
Yes!
right. I'm now going to...
Provocatively. Exotically.
And festively.
Yes. I have to admit, in my life, I've thrown quite a lot of Christmas pudding away.
Not anymore.
Not anymore, no.
I think that
Oh, you can't have too much of this.
is ample sufficiency, as my mum would say.
No, elegant sufficiency, my mother would say.
Would she?
Yes. Call it elegant or ample. That is a fantastic way to use up your leftover cake and Christmas pudding.
Go.
Right, there's mine. What are you having?
Leftover Christmas pudding.
I think there's enough for two. Right. I've got to go to the star, haven't I, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I love homemade custard.
I love trifle.
Oh, lush.
Just remember the hero Christmas pudding, it's so full of spice and flavour to start with. This is taking on a whole new level, whole new dimension. That could become a staple for Christmas pudding haters everywhere. Oh, it's more than just a mere trifle.
It's a keeper.
Christmas pudding trifle. It gives leftover cake a new and delicious home. It won't last long.